Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Flashfood account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Flashfood account, firstly open your Flashfood application. The official page of Flashfood will appear on the screen. Click on Continue with email. You can also continue with your Facebook account or Google account as well. On the next page, click on Create My Account. Enter your first and last name as well as your email address. Create a password for your Flashfood account. Tick mark on the box to receive updates and promotions, then click on Sign Up. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. By signing up, you'll agree to the terms and conditions of Flashfood application. This is how you can sign up for your Flashfood account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.